Here he is, look. Little man's got hiccups. Been drinking too much, haven't you? Hmm? Yep. He sleeps all day long and then he wakes up after I've fed him. I worked that one out. It's supposed to be the other way around. You're supposed to wake up, feed you, and then you got to go to sleep. He used to get hiccups a lot before he was born. Put your hat on straight, mate. There you go. That's too big for him. Doctors tomorrow. You need to put some weight on. The only time in your life you'll need to put weight on. Wide awake, look. Wide awake. Yeah. You hungry again? You shouldn't have thrown up all your food. Dirty little bugger. This is his bed, look. He's lost in that. Next to our bed, look. Nice view out the window. There he is, look. Next to his mum. Bless you. They gone? Well, that did the trick. Got rid of your hiccups. Oh, they're back. I think you're getting a bit cheesed off with these hiccups now.
Still awake?
It's got hiccups, Mum.
He always has hiccups.
I know. Where are you looking?
I'm looking at you.
Why are you looking at me? Look at the camera, you stupid sod. Oh, there she is, look.
You're supposed to be filming the baby, not me.
I've been filming the baby for the last 8 minutes and 30
I could hear you
seconds.
talking to yourself out there on the monitor.
Well, I was talking to the viewers.
Oh, okay.
Well, you can hear me on the monitor, can you?
Yeah, I can tell what you were saying, but I knew you were saying something.
Alright. Well, I was videoing him, but
I think I let a cat in.
I mean, it gets a bit boring after a while because all he's doing is hiccuping. Do something else. No, that's all he can do is hiccup. Oh, I think we're done. Yep, time for sleep. Hiccups are gone. Sleep time. Eyes are rolling. Right, I'm going in the shower. You better be asleep when I get out. You listening? Say good night.